y'all, so in this video I'm going to be going over 2 fishing rods that every fisherman should have in their collection, or if you're just starting out, these are the 2 that I would recommend if you're just starting out and you're wanting to go catch some fish. So we're just going to be going over all the details on the rods and everything like that. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload, and make sure you subscribe because we're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. So I'll see you guys when we get into the video. Alright y'all, so the first combo I'm going to be talking about is this 13 Fishing Omen Black rod with a 300 size KVD or loose KVD spinning reel. So right here is the loose KVD. It's a 6.21 gear ratio, and I have on it some 20-pound Bass Pro XL braid. And the rod is a 13 Fishing Omen Black. It's got this nice cork handle right here, and it's got a little bit of carbon fiber right here, and some more cork right there. And then the rest of the rod is all black. This rod is a 7-1 medium power. This is a really good rod. It reels nice, it looks good, and the rod itself, it feels good when you're reeling and when you're casting. So what I would recommend, if I wouldn't do like any type of mono or fluoro on this, but I like the braid on it. So this rod with the combo, or the rod and the reel itself, cost about $200. So if you're wanting like a nicer, higher end rod, it's not really higher end, but if you're wanting like a decent size combo, this is a really good combo to start out with. But right now all I have on is just a little Senko drop shot. And with this rod, you can pretty much do almost any type of freshwater fishing. So you can bass fish with it, you can pan fish with it, you can catfish with it. If you're wanting to bass fish, this is more of like a finesse type combo, because usually with spinning rods they're usually more finesse. But you can throw a crankbait on it, or a jig, or a stick bait like I have on right now, drop shot, wacky rig, it doesn't really matter. And with panfish, if you want, you can tie on a little leader. I don't have one on right now, but if you want to panfish or catfish, you can tie on a leader. And with panfish, you can just put on a little size hook, split shot and bobber, and you'll be pretty good to go. But you can also throw little tiny panfish jigs with it. And with catfish, just circle hook and nice little weight. So yes, now we're going to move on to the next combo. Alright, so now I'm going to talk about a good bait caster combo that you could have if you're just starting out and you want to build a combo. So if you can find it, I would recommend the Duckett Silverado. They don't have it on their website anymore. I wish they did. This is a really good rod. It's easy to use, but it's a very, very nice rod. And it's only $100 on. It was $100 on their website. They had a buy one get one deal. If you bought one, you get another one free. But I love this rod. It's really nice. This is a 7 foot medium heavy. But I really like this rod. But if you can find it, I would get this. But now they have a new one. It's called the Ghost 2, and it's a little bit cheaper. It's $20 cheaper on the Duckett website right now. But I would recommend this one if you can find it, but if not, I think the Ghost 2 is pretty much the same thing. So that's the rod for the bait caster combo. Right now I have just a Shimano Corrado DC on it. If you can afford it, I would get that. It's a great reel, and it never backlashes because of the DC, but it's a really good reel. But that's not the reel I would recommend if you're just starting out and you want to build a combo. So I'm gonna get into that in a second. Yeah, so what I would put on it is, either if you want, you can put like 20-pound braid on it, or you can put some 15-pound or 14 to 17-pound fluorocarbon. I need to start using that more, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into the reel. Alright, so now I'm gonna move on to the reel. Right here is the Shimano SLX. This is just the regular, it's not the DC. If you can afford the DC, I would get that one instead, but I just have the SLX, and this is a really, really good reel. It doesn't, I kind of beat it up, so it didn't last, it hadn't last very long. I need to probably put some reel oil on it, but if you take care of it, it will last a long time. But right now I just have it on a Akuma Kuros 7.3 medium heavy. But that is probably the most versatile rod right there, is a 7.3 medium heavy, and you can literally use every technique, everything. Solid plastic, crankbait, swim bait, no big glide baits or anything, but yeah. So right here, just the SLX. If you can afford the DC, I would get that more. I would get that over this. But if you're just starting out, the DC or the SLX is a really good reel. This one I think is a 7.31 gear ratio. But I really like the look of it too, and it casts good. It reels good. Everything was great on it. But yeah, so that's the bait catcher combo that I would recommend as a beginner fisherman. Alright, so thank you guys for watching that video. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, hopefully. And we're also trying to hit 250 followers on my Instagram. It's ebfishing15 if you want to go check that out. But yeah, so I know this was kind of a short video. It wasn't too much information, but if you guys did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll put all the links to the rods and reels and line and stuff in the description, so make sure you guys go check that out. And also thank you guys for all the support on the last video, the Bass Pro video. It was honestly really fun to make, and I think it did pretty good. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.